Hello guys, welcome to Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. I want to show us how to make this false knot hairband. Okay, it's an hairband. Alright, it's called false knots hairband because of this knot here. Alright, it's very simple to achieve. Okay, what do you need? You need your fabric. You need your fabric, a stretchy fabric. Okay, very stretchy fabric. And you need your head circumference. Okay, so I'm using my head circumference, which is 23 inches. Okay, $23. For this one, I use a width of 8 inches, but I want to use, for this class, I'm using 4 or 5 rather. Okay, it depends on how wide you want your hairband to be. So I'm using 5. Okay, this one I used 8. This is the width. Depends on how wide you want it to be. Okay, this is the width and this is the length. So I'm using a length 23. My head circumference is 23. Or for proper fitting, we reduce it to 22. Because this one here I used 22 for proper fitting. So I'm going to trim off 1 inch. You see? So we use 22. All right. I'll explain again. The wideness, which is the width, is 5 inches. I used 8 for this one. This one is 5. You can choose to use any inches you want. It depends on how wide you want your hairband to be. Okay, and the circumference is 22. It was 23 before. We had to trim off 1 inch, so we have 22 now for proper fitting. Okay, all right. So you locate the front side of your fabric. Okay, so this is the front side, and then you fold into 2 like this. Okay, and you sew. This is the front side, right? This is the front side facing us. So you fold into 2 like on the, okay, let me not confuse you. The front side is facing us right now because we are going to sew it and turn it inside out. Okay, so you fold it like this, all right, and you run a stitch straight down to the end. Okay, so we've sewn. At this point you turn inside out. Okay, we've turned inside out. So this is what we are trying to get. This band does not have joining, as you can see. No joining. Okay, and now you'll be wondering, how did you do it without joining? Here is the jack, right? After turning in and out this way, you position it like this and make sure this part that you use in holding it is on the middle, like this, right? On the middle. Okay, on the middle, on the middle. You turn it like this. This is the front part now that does not have joining. You bring it together like this. Okay, together like this. Remember, this joining is on the middle. Bring it together like this. Follow us on Instagram at Fashion Boss Innovations. Like our Facebook page at Fashion Boss Innovations. join our Facebook group at Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. There you can ask a lot of questions. If you have a new style you want us to teach you, you drop it on that page. Go to YouTube and search for our video, search for Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. When you get the video, remember to click on the subscribe button and tap on the bell so that whenever we drop a new video, you can always get a notification. All right, so you place it like this, halfway. Watch what I'm doing. Halfway. This is the joining, so you bring this end and place it halfway like this, so you have half of it out and half of it out. Do we understand? Okay, I'll take it again. This is the joining, is on the middle. You bring it like this together. Half of this part, you place it here. All right, and you have half out, half out. So you take this half and fold it backward like this, holding it firmly. Okay, you take this other half and fold it forward like this, also holding it firmly. All right, and you run a stitch on it. Okay, so we've run a stitch. This is what you have. You trim off excesses to prevent bulkiness or bulginess. Okay, so we attend seminars, we do online and physical training, we attend seminars. Okay, you want to organize women program in church, outside church, NGOs, any of those, we attend seminars to invite us to come and teach the women how to be empowered. So this is what you have. Okay, turn it like this. Okay, all right, and your hairband is ready. Okay, you see, it's not difficult at all. Okay, like I said, it's steady as a small egg. And your hairband is ready, 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 ready. Okay, you like it? So I decorated this with pear. You can also do the same to yours. Thank you for watching. Peace. God bless you.